Do you know that many birds actually sense their prey not by their eyes but by their beaks? Let's have a closer look. So, birds like kiwi, stone curlew, ibis use these senses which help them to sense their prey without even seeing it. They use mechanoreceptors placed in their beaks to sense the vibrations, maybe electrical energy or presence of a prey deep inside the mud. So next time when you see a curlew or an ibis putting or probing its beak inside mud, they are not guessing. They are actually sensing something. Keep birding. Stay happy.